President Biden's idea to raise corporate taxes to cover the cost of his $2 trillion infrastructure proposal is getting a lot of criticism from lawmakers. Meanwhile, outside the Capitol, police are looking at ways to make the Capitol safer. This after a man rammed his car into a barricade on Good Friday, killing one officer and injuring another. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales reports.
Walking around the Capitol today, you certainly notice the increased police presence, and although investigators believe that the man who rammed his car into the two Capitol police officers was an isolated incident, authorities are taking extra precautions. More concrete barriers are being installed around the Capitol after 25-year-old Noah Green ran his car into two Capitol police officers, killing Officer William Billy Evans. A makeshift memorial marks the spot where the 18-year veteran was killed.
We have a game plan with the recommendations from General Honore, and we are teeing up a supplemental bill to fund that.
This is our Capitol!
With the violence at the Capitol on January 6 still fresh in the minds of officers, the head of the Capitol Police Union is pushing Congress to bolster security, saying in a statement that the department is 233 officers below its authorized level of more than 2,000 and struggling to meet existing mission requirements. Meanwhile, lawmakers spent the Easter holiday touting the president's $2 trillion infrastructure proposal.
Infrastructure needs are self-evident. The American Society of Civil Engineers has demonstrated that we're trillions of dollars behind.
The proposal includes spending on green energy, broadband, but also expanding Medicaid coverage, job training, and plugging oil and gas wells.
I'm going to push as hard as I can to change the circumstance so we can compete with the rest of the world.
To pay for the plan, the president wants to raise taxes on businesses, including increasing the corporate income tax to 28%. Republicans like Senator Ted Cruz of Texas say, quote, "The only thing it appears that they are in favor of is more government spending, more taxes, and more government power over your lives." Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell echoed Senator Cruz's statement, saying, quote, "My suspicion is that they will jam everything into this bill and call it an infrastructure bill." House Speaker Nancy Pelosi says that the House Democrats are currently working on their own infrastructure bill and will only bring it to the House floor when it is ready. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.